This new innovative starter jar warmer by Cozy Bread comes with 3 items. Got the warming mat that produces the heat, the insulation cylinder that keeps the heat contained, and the drawstring bag for quick and easy storage. Setup is really simple. Just place the mat in the bottom flap, zip it closed so that the 2 zippers meet at the center with the power cable exiting cleanly, and stand the cylinder upright. This should only take a few seconds to get ready. Set your starter jar inside and zip it up. Then set the controller to 90 degrees. These clear windows on the side let you check your starter without letting any heat escape. When you're done, just unzip, remove the jar, and flatten the cylinder. It breaks down quickly and cleanly. Stack everything together, roll it up, and slide it into the drawstring bag. Easy to use and easy to store in any kitchen drawer.
Cozy Bread. Love what you bake.